Emma, running kit for newbies, where should people begin? What do they need?
Right, so it's a huge topic, but the most important thing is get yourself kitted out in the right gear. Okay, so it's important to be comfortable. It's important to be warm when it's cold outside. It's important to be dry when it's wet. So realistically, you want to start at the beginning. You want to get your base layers right. So you want to make sure that you're wearing something breathable, lightweight, wick sweat away from your body, just to keep you nice and comfortable when you're running. Definitely, Britain, it rains all the time, and it can go from being glorious sunshine to pouring it down within a couple of minutes. So really important to invest in a really good waterproof jacket.
Even saying running trainers stresses me out though, because there's trail shoes, there's running shoes, there's track shoes, there's everything in between. If you're a newbie who's maybe going to start on some roads, do a little bit of off-road, a little bit of trail running, what are you looking for in a shoe?
So again, grip, if you're going to be on a variety of surfaces, I do think that grip's quite important. Your road shoes are not going to be very good if you're trying to get out on some trails that are really, really muddy in the winter. So I think about grip. Again, comfort. There's nothing worse than getting blisters when you're out and about. So again, trying to make sure that you've got the sizing right. Just buying them online is not always the best option. You really have to sit down and try them on to make sure that they're going to be comfortable for you, that you're going to be able to wear them all day, and you're not going to dread putting them on because they're going to pinch in the wrong places.
And then the only other thing I was going to ask about, hydration. Are you one of those little vest people with a jacket and a tube? Or are you water bottle in your hand? What are you thinking about that?
So I'm very much a vest person. I do not leave the house without my vest. It's like my second skin. And I really like having pockets that are really easy to access everything without taking your pack off. So running vests are a really big must for me, because when you're out and about, it's really important to stay hydrated, but it's also really important to keep energy flowing in, because when you start getting low energy, your mood starts to drop and you start to think this isn't so much fun. So I like to have things that are on the front that I can just whip out a bar or a gel or something like that and take it really easily. And similarly with the bottles, I just like, it's so easy to just quickly have a drink. Your hands are free.
What is your one most important or your favourite piece of running kit?
I have to say, my shoes. My shoes. I absolutely love my shoes. So there's nothing nicer than putting on like my favourite pair of shoes that are just really comfortable. It's just like putting on a second pair of socks. Absolutely love them. You know, the ones that make you feel really fast and light and you can just bomb down some hillsides. Absolutely love them.